Hey guys, welcome to this beautiful day. It's the prettiest day we've had in a while. We've had a bunch of snow and not snow, but sleet and flurries and cold junk. So we're happy for this warm day. So today we're gonna take you along as we do a few things. We've got to get our meat chicks into our new chicken tractor, and then also I've got to uppot some tomatoes and peppers that are getting too big for the containers. So on this beautiful day, we just have a few things that we wanted to do. We wanted to bring you along. I'm sure that we've got some other things we need to do that might make their way into the video.
Hey guys, how y'all doing? We are we're moving chickens today. They've been in the garage for a couple weeks. We had them in the house for a week and they are stinking pretty bad. We're ready to get them out in the fresh air. We've had them out a few times, kind of get them acclimated to the weather where they're not having a heat lamp on them. So we're getting ready to move them. We're going to show y'all this is the starting point for our chicken tractor. We're going to move it down every day, down the yard. Alright guys, I'm not going to candy coat this at all. We've had these birds for 3 weeks. We had them 1 week in the house, 2 weeks in the garage. We would have probably brought them out last week, but we still had temperatures, lows getting in the 30s, and I really didn't feel comfortable with having a heat lamp outside here in the yard. Maybe if you're doing this, that wouldn't be a big deal, but just our setup, our location, and it's just not really going to work. So we finally have a really nice weather here. We had it was in the 30s last night. It's probably the last night for a while before it gets that cold again. So we moved the chickens. They have grown crazy fast. These are the Cornish cross. They're huge. I don't know if you could see how big they are. They're where they've been in the brooder, and the brooder was a good sized brooder, but they've run out of space just because they're growing so much. 30 Cornish cross. They're out here, they're in the grass. They're definitely a whole lot more comfortable out here. So we'll kind of keep progressing to show you how fast they grow, how big they get. They're doing really good. I mean, they're growing and they're eating non-stop. We have started doing something else today just because of the prices of everything going up for feed. we are going to start fermenting our chicken feed. You ferment your food, you will have a savings of 25 to maybe even 50% on the cost of food, which is amazing. And all you have to do is soak your feed in like a 5-gallon bucket for a couple days, and it causes the chickens not to eat as much, and they still grow. So you're just saving money on fermenting the feed versus just feeding them out. It cuts down a lot on waste. So you can see, I hope you can see, this stuff right here is woven landscape fabric. It is, water will penetrate it, but not sunlight. And it's really thick. It's even almost got like a cloth on one side, almost like a plastic on the other side. This, it's older, but this is just landscape fabric. I don't know if you can tell by looking at it. I mean, look, this is old stuff, but you can almost, it's been out for 2 years, and it kind of breaks down. It will work, but not as good as this stuff. So you can use this, but you're gonna have to replace it every couple years, whereas this will probably last 5+ years. So it's more expensive, but I recommend this. 175 onions there, and about another 100 here. See the pointy side? That's the top. Roots coming out. It's the bottom. You gotta plant these top up. All right, guys, we had a busy day today. We got a bunch of stuff done. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe if you can. We really appreciate it. And God bless you guys. Have a good one.